There we go. Okay.
Okay.
So just by the look from the front, it doesn't really look that much special, right? It's a black one, you know.
It's a huge one.
Uh, no, in
Not
terms
that
of the
huge.
sizing, it's okay. I mean, it's a medium size, and actually this is a size 8 model, so it says Missy, so that's actually the U.S. Standard.
Okay.
Yeah. So this M is actually more like the Chinese sizing for M, so could be small in the U.S. sizing system.
It's small in US.
Yeah, it could be. Since Missy, so the younger lady, sort of thing like that. Okay, and the most impressive part is actually the back of it. Okay, as we see, seamless elastic band, right? Good compression, so it stays in place, doesn't roll up. And on the side, you can see this little holes over here, right? And you can feel it, it's a double layer. So yeah, those little holes actually stay here, to facilitate the ventilation. But the coolest part is actually this, this Racerback over here. Okay, looks very fashionable. It's actually a one-piece design, so the whole thing is actually knitted directly into one piece. Okay, it's a double layer system. As you can see, it's double layer, and this kind of sliced opening effect. They are actually cut open. They are not cut open. They are knitted this way directly. They come when they come out of the knitting machine. They are like this already. So it's a very good design, and it requires, I'm sure, the machine to coordinate very accurately to make this a great product. Okay, yeah. So this sliced open Racerback system over here. Yeah, looks very cool. Other than that, it's also very practical, for that heat emission, ventilation, sort of things. Okay. Alrighty. And basically that's it about this piece. Okay. And I believe we have a lot of colors.
In that.
Yeah, for this one. We have black here, and I believe we have green, orange, red, and a beige, maybe, perhaps, probably. So it's going to be a better idea if you could, check it up on our website. Uh-huh. Okay. Check it up on our website, www.dyknitting.com. That's the right place. Okay. We have the correct information over there regarding this item. You just browse through to the category under sports and look for the sports tops. Okay. So you're gonna find one of them would be this bra, and we got all the correct information up there for you. Okay, and yeah, this is for the leggings. It's on the same model. It's not the matching one for this because for this a sports bra, we haven't really made a matching leggings for it yet. But I believe it's possible because we made a lot of fashion leggings, not the sports type, with sliced opening as well. So I don't know. I'm just not sure how well it's gonna be working on the sports tights with this sliced opening on the leggings, right? But anyway, that's worth a try. So we'll still be working on that. But for now, on this model, what I put here is actually a different type of seamless leggings over here, right? So far, we've been talking about quite a few seamless leggings and seamless bras. But the type of seamless we mentioned are only about. Remember we were talking about just this big circle, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and the
But
best
this one.
right, the best benefit would be removing the center seams over there, but there is still one more.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, from the inner side of the legs. But for this one, it's totally seamless.
Seamless.
Yeah,
Wow.
when the machine, when this one is this pair of leggings comes out of the machine, it is just like this, totally seamless, and all these openings, holes, they can be customized into whichever way you want it to be. So basically, it's a very good product. And some of you, I'm sure, may be wondering now at the moment, right? Since we have a much better item over here, then why the hell did you brag so much, waste so much time, right? Talking about the other, compromised stuffs over there. We compromise, there for a good reason, right? So for this one, perfect, authentic, 100% seamless leggings, they actually come at a much bigger minimum order quantity, right? So if you want to order this pure seamless leggings, the minimum order quantity would be like 3,000 pairs in the same color, in the same size, and in the same design. So 3,000 pairs of the same thing, right? And if you want to order a few more colors, a few more sizes, that's going to be multiplied on top of this 3,000. So good, actually quite big quantities for many people to work with, right? So only if you can move a large quantity in your market, this is the one for you, and it's the perfect one for you. Okay. Otherwise, if you would like to go with more flexibility, the compromised. Well, I hate to use the word, but indeed it is a little compromised, as we talked about with the inner seam, yeah, inner seams on both legs, right? For that one, the minimum order quantity is much lower. It's only 800 pieces per color per size. Let's say for the same thing, right? 800 pieces. Or if your total order quantity could go up to 3,600 pieces, we can actually break that into 3 colors maximum and 3 sizes maximum, right? So 3,600 pieces in 3 colors and 3 sizes, and that can actually be translated into 400 pieces per color per size only, right? Even smaller, like only half of the 800 pieces, if you only order 1 color, 1 size, right? So just think about the difference and think about what's going to be the best option you can work with, right? So we can always choose something that's right for us, for your own market. And also for your information, for these seamless products, we actually would gonna need 5 to 12 days for sample development, and for production lead time, depending on the order quantity, normally it's going to be somewhere between 30 to 65 days. Okay, so and again, 2 types of seamless, right? The compromised one and the 100% seamless one. So keep in mind about the difference, especially the about the difference in the required quantities. Okay, so that's actually going to be a very important factor you have to take into account for your product planning, right? So it's okay if you don't remember all the numbers I mentioned about. Feel free to send us an instant message online, right now at the moment through the Canton Fair online messaging system, and my colleague will be happy to give you the numbers over the internet now. Or you can also send us an inquiry over the through your email to info@dyknitting.com. Okay. All right. So actually, Tom, you mentioned about how this one
Big
could be,
size.
yeah, could be a big one, but actually there's a one market segment that